Okay, so I just reset a computer the other day, and I think if you go down here to your Windows icon and just click it and just start typing reset, RESET. There it shows up reset this PC, and you can click on it, and then under recovery options here you'll see reset this PC. Choose to keep or remove your personal files, then reinstall Windows. So if you click that button, it will ask you to choose either keep my files or remove everything. You'll want to choose remove everything, and then it will prompt you what to do from there. But that's how you get to it. I'll show you again. Go to your Windows, your start button, click it, and just start typing reset. And there is reset this PC, click it, and then go to reset this PC, click it, and then choose remove everything, and it will walk you through what to do. Hope that helps.